Hello students, so let us start with the unit 6. We have already completed unit 5 and new unit 6 we are starting, that is conservation and protection. So what do you understand from conservation and protection? What is conservation and what is protection? Yes students. So protection means what? You're having something and you're giving a security that it won't be finished or it won't get over. Okay, it won't be seized. Okay, that is protection. And conservation means what? जो ख़त्म होने आ रहा है आप उसको संभाल रहे हो. So is conservation and protection same thing? Yes. Can you tell me? Can you remind what is conservation and what is protection? Yes. So what is conservation? Conservation is the act of preserving, guarding, giving security or protecting. And what is protecting? It's a process of keeping something safe. Okay. And if you say that what is the difference between conservation and protection, it's one and the same thing only, but conservation means what? It is there, it is present. Okay, and you're keeping it safe by not making any harm to it. Okay, not destroying it. And protecting is means what? Protecting from others, not from ourselves, also other things around you. Protecting means keep something or someone safe. Okay, so this is the lesson all about conservation and protection. So here you will be having 3 sections similar like how we had in unit 5. 3 sections you will be having, and in this unit, like, tell me what is conservation, what are you going to conserve and what are you going to protect. It can be your loved ones, it can be something that is extinguished, which is not extinguished, you can say, which is going extinct. It can be wildlife animals, or you can say a culture that you want to protect. You can say you want to protect your relationship. What you're conserving then? Conserving nature, like universe. What are you conserving then? Okay, preserving then. So conservation and protection is like to protect something and you want to keep it safe and that you don't want to go extinct. It can be your relationship, it can be your hope you want to protect, or you can say it can be wildlife animals, plants that are going extinct, or something that you can protect, you want to protect your hopes, your dreams, you can protect. So in section 1 it is a cricket match. Here we'll be saying about the friendship or care, not only for yourself but for the entire universe, entire surrounding about you. So all this is included in the section 1. In section 2 you're having is who dares to cut trees. So here the protection and conservation of trees, forest. Okay, so in this section it is a true story which introduces about the community that is committed to save trees. Like, you must have heard stories where these few peoples are given a project to cut down the trees to do deforestation, but few people, they tied themselves to the trees so that these people should not cut any tree in the forest. Okay, you must have heard about it. So there are few communities those help saving trees from failing and from deforestation. Okay, in section 3 we are having is solar flare. Now we talked about cricket match, like sports, then we said about nature, and now here is about mother earth. Okay, our world, how we are going to save from solar eclipse, or you can say global warming. Okay, so here in this section solar flare, it's a poem. Here we are going to say sun is like sun is really important for us, for growth, for trees, for perspiration and everything. You know what science is it. Okay, so here we are going to see the balance between nature and everything around us in universe, like human race, and how it is changing because of it, and how it is imbalanced since because of the technologies, or you can say. So nature and human race, they are not balanced, it has become some changes, and that is how the consequences are because of that. We are going to see here, and how you are going to correct it, what methods, what ways you are going to take to prevent or protect ourselves from it. That we are going to say here, how to correct the wrongs, and bring something good out of it, that we are going to say in the section 3. So your section or unit 6 is all about conservation and protection. Please go through the lessons, read all the lessons, and remove the summary that you understand from the lessons. It is your sort of notes. Okay, instead of me explaining, it will be your sort of notes with you. And first of all, start reading why and in loud. Okay, your voice should be heard by yourself, not by others, and it should not disturb others. So reading is must because it's a learning process. First you have to do reading, and then as you're reading, see that your voice is heard by yourself and it's not that loud to disturb others. So listening is done then and there only. The third part is writing. In the learning process, the third part is writing. For the writing part, before that it will be explanation that I'll be doing, but before that, reading and listening is very much important, and that you people need to do, and it's a must. So this is all about unit 6. We will be talking about, we will see in the next session. Thank you.